You experience life intensely. You get angry, hurt, sad, even afraid, guilty, and ashamed. You and I both know it, but you do your best not to let anyone else know. It's in the code. And like your wife who talks about her feelings, sometimes incessantly, you're more likely to express your emotions with your actions. I love that about men. Your wife was taught to express her emotions verbally to create connection. You were taught to avoid emotions and take action instead. Your emotion motivates you to make things happen. Interestingly enough, the Creator made you sensitive to your emotional states as a means of survival. What you feel tells you something. Those feelings serve as your early warning signal, or a very pleasant indicator that all is well. Maybe you've convinced yourself that you're really good at ignoring your feelings. However, research shows that you're still motivated by your emotions, even if you're not aware of them. It's one of the reasons you make those mistakes. No, you do not need to turn into a girl. This job that God gave you requires that you be you, the man that God created you to be. Just learn to read the signals your brain's sending you. When you feel tension rising, ask yourself these 3 questions. Number 1, what is this emotion? Am I angry, sad, hurt, afraid, guilty, ashamed, joyful? Number 2, what does this mean? Your brain is helping you read your internal and external world. Number 3, what should I do? After you answer questions 1 and 2, then you're ready to make a plan. Sometimes, though, you need to take immediate action without all that processing, like slamming on the brakes when a child runs into the street in front of your car. You don't have time to stop and process what you're feeling. But those 3 questions can serve you very well in the long run, especially when it comes to your wife.